क्या आप YouTube चैनल शुरू करना चाहते हैं लेकिन समझ में नहीं आ रहा कि कौन सा YouTube चैनल बनाएं? तो कोई बात नहीं, आज मैं आपको 20 से अधिक जबरदस्त YouTube चैनल आइडियाज बताने वाला हूं, तो वीडियो को पूरा देखें और अपना पसंदीदा नीच चुनें। Let's jump right in. So number 1 is tech review channel. Review new mobile phones, laptops, gadgets, etc. Number 2 is educational channel. Teach subjects like English, math, science, etc. Number 3 is cooking channel. Share some delicious recipes or cooking tips. Number 4 is gaming channel. Upload live streaming videos, upload gameplay videos. Number 5 is motivational videos. Upload inspiring stories, speeches. Number 6 is health and fitness related channel where you can teach exercises, yoga and health tips. Number 7 is vlogging channel. Share your life through daily vlogs. Number 7 is reaction channel. Share your opinion on trending videos. Number 8 is comedy channel. Make funny and entertainment videos. Number 9 is study channel where you can teach something or you can spread awareness about different types of exams, vacancy related informations you can share on it. Number 9 is DIY and craft channel where you can create homemade projects. And number 10 is comedy channel. Make funny and entertainment videos. So guys, our next content idea is book summary channel where you can summarize the books. Next content idea is study channel. Exam preparation, help students prepare for SSC, UPSC, bank and railway exams. Next content idea is business related and finance related channel where you can teach online earning, investment. These are the things. And our next is travel blogging. Travel blogging channel, you will make and explore new places and share the blog with your audience. I forgot the number. So our next content idea is news and the trending topics. Help you get more views. And then another content idea is digital marketing channel where you can teach SEO, search engine optimization, social media and online earning. Guys, now another content idea is review channel. You can make a YouTube channel and you can review the latest movies and web series. Another content idea is ASMR and relaxing sound videos. Create and share relaxing sound videos. And another content idea is challenge videos. You can create challenge videos on YouTube where you are competing with others on different content ideas like on eating food, on who will earn or who will get this 500 rupees if you solve this problem, like this. Last but not the least, podcast channel where you can share interviews and discussions. Okay, sorry guys, I have forgotten one channel, facts and mystery channel, where you can share interesting facts and mysterious stories. So guys, which one is your favorite? Comment below. So these were top 20 plus YouTube channel ideas, but which niche is right for you? The answer is choose a niche you are passionate about and one that is trending. Just choosing a niche is not enough. You need to follow some important tips to grow in YouTube. Be consistent, upload at least 2 or 3 videos per week. Follow trending topics which will help you to get more views on your videos. Then use SEO, search engine optimization and hashtags wisely. Engage with your audience by community post or comments. So friends, which YouTube idea did you like the most? Share me in the comments. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel. See you in the next video. Until then, keep learning and keep growing.